responding back to the email. You wanted me to put that thing in Asana. So you would have to be the initiator of the project, not, you couldn't ask a person from the outside that's not on your team to initiate it. I can send you a project and create a project and give you access to it, but it's not going to be, it's going to be under a separate, damn it, sorry. It's going to be under a separate little thing. So it would be like you'd have a separate workspace. That's a long story. I'll get to that later. But for right now, let's just worry about this. So you need to start up a new project for that thing, for that bid. So I'm going to show you the process of how you would do it on a computer. So we're right here. So we'd go up to plus right here. Okay. We're in a new project. It's going to say blank or use template. We're going to use that template, the one that I made. We haven't really edited it yet, but we'll go ahead and use it anyway. And it's going to ask you, what template do you want to use? Well, it says general templates. Don't worry about that. You want to use the one that's by Fast Track, so the one that was made already. So we click on that, and it's going to say new project setup right there. Let me go and find, we're going to put private to project members, so that means that people have to get invited to that project. And I need to go and find the information about it so I can tell you something intelligent. So give me 1 second here. I'm on another screen pulling up my information for it. Okay. So you'll put right here, change the name. Say you're just going to call it Pizza Guys 203 Santa Fe Springs, right? You hit create. So now it's working. Okay. So the one thing that we can do, so it says start using it, right? So we're going to basically invite some people. So we're going to invite me first. So we're going to actually invite M. Morgan at pizzaguys.com. Okay. You're going to say we can edit it. Okay. You're not going to give me access to everything at Fast Track Building Corp. All you're going to do is basically invite me to this project. That's it. Okay. And it says can edit. That means I can edit it. Otherwise, you could change it and say that I could just comment but not edit. Okay. So we put that there. We hit send. Okay. Now I'm on another screen here in a second, and I'm going to try to find this email from you. It may be going into my spam because I don't like getting emails from Asana. So let's take a second here. Oh, here it is right here. It wasn't my spam. So I go here. This came to me. It says Stephen Perez. Ooh, actually, I have it logged in under Stephen Perez, not under you. So I'm gonna have to change that. But it says you invited it to me to that the Fast Track. So I hit accept. This is under my own login. And then basically, when I come in here now, so if I go here, it has all my other stuff, but then there's one more thing that says Fast Track Building Corp. So now if I go into here and I click on that, I have one project under Pizza Guy Santa Fe Springs, and now I can see it. Okay. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to close this. Actually, I'm going to change. It's under Stephen Ford, but why am I logged in as Stephen Perez? So let me log out. I'm under your email. Let me log in under you, not Stephen Perez. Oh, that must have been when I created his email before. Okay. Okay, so now we go down here to that project. Where is it at? Pizza Guys 203. I would also remind you right here where it says, right here, the star, add to favorites. I would add it to favorites. So now it's going to be up here. So you want to have the projects you're currently working on right here. So you put it in here and now you have it. So I'm going to open up my thing. So I'm over here and I'm basically going to go to messages and I'm going to send a message and I'm going to put location, information, and I'll send it. So you guys will all be notified that I did that. The other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find the scope document. Recent. Santa Fe scope of work. and I'm going to hit copy. Actually, I need to change this to where anyone can view it. So I just did that. I'm on another screen, sorry. Put scope of work. Okay, send. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put, I'll do another one that says floor plan right here. So floor plan is here. Okay. And then we got, I think, one more other thing. Oh, we have an equipment schedule. I'm opening these on this other thing here. And equipment schedule. We'll hit send. Okay. So now I added these basically these pieces in here. Okay. Oh, we'll do one more, and we'll do images of site. Okay. I don't necessarily have a problem doing this. I don't know that I really want to do all this. Like, if we're working on projects, to do your work for you, because you should be doing this, not me. Just being honest with you, but I'm going to show you how to do this. I don't know if this is how this is going to work moving forward, but I'm trying to help you to show you how to do it right now. So we'll go here, and then I'm going to add images of the site. So we'll go right there. We hit send. So now you basically have these in here. So you need to basically start working on this right here. But if you go into messages, you'll basically see all that stuff. So that's under me. If I go in under your login right here, I go to messages, and it says Mike Morgan added all this stuff. So anyway, that's how you basically add the project.